Now for our What in the World segment. What got my attention this week was silence. Silence from the Muslim world over the plight of their brethren, the Uyghurs. They are, you recall, the Muslim ethnic minority in northwestern China who claim they've been discriminated against for years and in the past few weeks have been caught up in ethnic fighting with the majority Han population. Those clashes have left more than 180 dead. This week, Al-Qaeda's second-in-command, Ayman al-Zawahiri, released a video calling on Muslims to back the murderous militants in Pakistan. But where was his call to support the Uyghurs? Religious authorities in Pakistan issued a fatwa this week against citizens who steal electricity. But where was their outrage on behalf of the Uyghurs? As Moises Naim, a good friend of this show, points out, when a Danish newspaper printed a cartoon about the Prophet Muhammad in 2005, the Muslim world erupted. Embassies and consulates were burned to the ground. People were killed in rioting. 11 ambassadors from the Muslim world formally protested to the Danish government. So where are those 11 ambassadors now? Why aren't they protesting to Beijing? The strongest Muslim condemnation, but it is a lone exception, has come from Turkey. The Uyghurs are a Turkic people, so that makes sense. Prime Minister Erdogan said what was happening there was a kind of genocide. The Chinese reacted very angrily to that label, demanding that Turkey retract it. The state-run China Daily labeled Erdogan's remarks groundless and irresponsible. Now, I am not actually suggesting that other countries should get involved in this. But look at the hypocrisy of the self-appointed leaders of Muslim communities around the world who scream at the smallest slights against Muslims, real or perceived, when America is involved, but remain quiet on all other violence against Muslims, from the genocide in Darfur to terrorist attacks against Muslims in Pakistan. The silence is deafening.